Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the roof pump blueprint in Subnautica 2. If you're the type of builder who wants to add more aesthetic details to your base, then you'll definitely want to unlock the roof pump blueprint. Before heading out, make sure you already have the heat tolerance adaptation. Start from your life pod and face a heading of 105 degrees on your compass. Swim straight while staying close to the seafloor and avoid making unnecessary turns. Once you reach the hotter biome, pass beneath this large arching rock formation. After that, keep following the same heading while watching the seafloor until you spot these 4 large holes. Swim down into any one of them and look for a tunnel leading southwest. Follow the tunnel into the next cave system. Once you're inside, keep your eyes on the seafloor until you find this small opening surrounded by blue, tube-like corals. Swim through the opening and continue following the tunnel until it leads you to a data card containing the roof pump blueprint, along with a few extra loot items nearby. After unlocking the blueprint, return to your base and use your habitat builder to construct the roof pump, which you'll find under the furniture and decorative section. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.